Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to use Freshworks CRM software. So it's very easy tutorial, and we just need to understand first of all like what is CRM and why Freshworks CRM. So as you can see right now, you just need to search freshworks.com slash and CRM slash sales. So you will end up over here, and once you do that, first of all we need to understand like why Freshworks CRM. So CRM is a customer relationship management platform designed to help business manage and grow their customer relationships, right? So actually, Freshwork offers a range of features and tools to help business track and manage customer interactions, sales and marketing efforts, and multiple things, and customer support even. You know, so some of the key features of Freshwork CRM include contact management, lead tracking, sales forecasting, and marketing automation. It also integrates with a range of other Freshwork products, including Freshwork and like Freshdesk, which help desk software, and Fresh Sales, which helps Salesforce automation tool. So Freshworks CRM is available as cloud-based software as a service. So in short, SaaS, SaaS, an application, and it can be accessed through a web browser or through mobile apps for Android and also iOS. So as you can see right now, we are going to click on pricings to show you how they have planned their pricing. So once you click on that, I have already opened up on the top, and you can see over here these are the pricing. So first of all, you can see the first free version is obviously zero, and it includes contact and account management, contact lifecycle stages, built-in chat, email, and food, 24 hours, and support and mobile app also. And there are multiple things out there: growth, pro, and enterprise. You can see that some of them were for 15, 40, and 70. But right now we are just going with this one, obviously it's free. And once you click on sign up, you will end up over here. You can sign up with email or with your Google account. So I'm just going to go with the Google account. And the second thing is this free trial will only work for like 21 days, so just remember that. So I'm just going to log in with my Google account. I'm just going to click on sign up with Google. So as you can see over here, we are at the dashboard of Freshwork, and you have so many options on the left side. First of all is CRM dashboard. You have your contacts and accounts, deals, and other forecasting and activity goals, products, documents, sales conversation like inbox and email templates, sales sequence, bulk email. You if you want to send that, I will tell you later. Forms, analytics, settings, and control K for the launchpad. What is launchpad? I will tell you. But for now, this is the dashboard. On the top right corner, you will see that we have our plus icon. Once you click on that, you have the same option which you have some of them over here. But right now, you can just add contact from over here. You can add account. You can add deals. You can add product, and add document, add task, add meeting, add call log, send messages, send email, create template, or create sales sequence. So this is like a shortcut for you. For you don't need to just go over here, just click on that and just click on 2 clicks only. So in my opinion, it's one of the best feature over here. And you have your email over here. So you can just send email also from over here. You can see your what's new over here, and all those notification and everything will be over here. So over here you can see that your trial will be end in 21 days, as we have told you this before. And if you want to explore plan, just click on that, and it will take you right over here. And if you scroll down at the bottom, you can see that we will have one more feature which is called all the basic for teams that are starting out free. So just click on buy plan, and what will be like missing from this right now. So I'm just gonna click on confirm, update subscription, and that's it. Click on fresh sales again, and it will take you right over here, and you can see product updated, and we have changed our plan. So that's how you can change your plans. And right now we are at free version, right? And the first thing which we need to understand, like how you can add more people, how, like, if someone wants to use your CRM, how you can allow that, how many admins you can add. So click on settings over here on the bottom, you can see over here, go to admin settings. Once you click on that, you will have, yeah, you can see that all those features over here. But if you go ahead and click on manage users, uh you can see that I am the only one over here right now. If you want someone else to use your CRM, if you are going to assign something to him or her, you can just click on add users from over here. You can just add their email from here and full name, and these both are like very requirement, for to add your someone else, you know and all those not that important, but these two are very important. And the last one is role, obviously this is also important. So you can just add that from over here and easily just go ahead and click on save. Right now I just don't want to show you, like I don't want to assign someone. So I just wanted to show you like how you can just do that. Or you can just import users with Excel sheet, or anyone from, you can just add that from over Excel, right? After that, we have so many options, right? If you click on CRM dash, you will end up over here. I'm just going to close this off. You have your CRM dashboard. So whatever you are going to work on and whatever you've been working on, and according to days, you will see everything over here. Find your upcoming tasks, meetings, and reminders. Everything you have set up, you will end up seeing this, because this is the dashboard, and at dashboard everything should be summarized, right? And you can see on the right side that today I haven't done anything, but if you have done something, this will show up over here. You have your today summary, like how many tasks you have done, follow up, call reminder, email reminder, meetings, how many you have attended, and how many you have not attended. So you can just add tasks from over here. Click on add task, and it's simple. Just add tasks, add task type, and follow up or call reminder, or due date, outcome, what would be done, outcome, like happened, like if they answered or not. So just like no response, not able to reach or something like that, and click on mark as completed if this has been completed. But you can just change this, like you can assign this to anyone. If you have multiple users from over here, you just don't need to do this to yourself. And after that, we have our contacts. You can just add contacts and add accounts, like we can do that from over here. And we have our deals. You can just manage your deals over here, your deals analytics, activity goals and quotas, and even the forecasting. You have your products. If you are selling any product, just click on products, and you can just easily add products from over here. I'm just gonna close this all again, and you can just add products over here. And you can see that Freshwork is also helping you out, like how you can just add products, or you can import products from outside. So you can just do that. You can just view that from different angles, and you have your documents. If you want to add documents, you can also do that. Sales conversation, this is a different tutorial, not obviously a beginning tutorial. And what it does, like you could just create your campaigns for, like for your email. And you have your forms and analytics, like whatever you have been doing in depth. This will tell you, this product, this menu will tell you like what have been you and your squad, like your all those users doing with you. And that's it. This is all you need to know for like how to use Freshworks CRM as an easy tutorial and as a beginner. And I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to leave a subscribe and like, and I hope you understand every single thing. Please comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.